Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson. And so today I'll be showing you how to connect your guitar, alright, to this piano PSR E-473. So here I have my jack cable. So I'll gently take my jack cable behind, alright, and insert it here behind. This is the input for the mic, but you can use so the guitar jack can also go there. So this is the gain, as I already explained in the previous lesson. So when you do that, okay, I'll come now. Okay, if you listen, so it's always good when the main volume of the piano is low when you are connecting. So when you test, it shows that our jack cable is functioning well. So I plug it behind the guitar. Alright, so when I plug it on the guitar, my guitar is not on, okay? So if I play, you don't actually get it. Alright. Okay, you can get it. So when I play, I've increased the volume here, so you can actually get it. You can as well on this volume here. Alright, so when I on my guitar, I can increase the volume of the guitar as well. So you could only increase the volume of the piano here, so I can increase the volume of the guitar here. Alright. So but when it's low, alright, you don't actually get it. See, when it's high here. So that's how we connect the guitar. So we can I can as well increase the volume here. So if I want to increase the volume, I just take shift and I press this. I shift and this. So the volume, you see that the volume is already on maximum. So there's no need to increase the volume. So you can just play your guitar, guys. Alright guys, thank you for your keen attention and do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you immensely.